It seems like Samsung is preparing to fully commit to Snapdragon chips over the next years after Qualcomm made some significant announcements this week with the Snapdragon 8 Elite. There has been a lot of speculation regarding what sort of chip Samsung would use in its forthcoming Galaxy S25 and S26 models, ranging from continuing with the standard combination of Snapdragon and Exynos to maybe leaning more toward Exynos or even include MediaTek. But it now appears like there is a possibility that Samsung may decide to stop producing Exynos altogether for a spell. The Galaxy S26 seems to be Samsung's intention to go full on Snapdragon, and it's probable that they'll do the same with the Galaxy S25, according to Ice Universe on Weibo. It's not entirely unexpected, as you may recall when the Galaxy S23 series also used Snapdragon-only chips. In fact, this decision makes a lot of sense, particularly because Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite is driven by those fancy Orin cores that are far faster than earlier versions. Since Apple began creating its own processors, its A-series chips have dominated the mobile market. In fact, these chips have been outperforming Samsung's Exynos chips by a significant margin. Apple boasted about how the 18 Pro chip completely outperformed the competition in benchmark testing, including the Snapdragon A Gen 3 found in the Galaxy S24, at the recent iPhone 16 unveiling. However, in practical speed testing, the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max are compared. The S24 Ultra shockingly outperformed earlier models in terms of performance, and it now looks like all flagship phones are achieving incredible performance levels in real life, which is quite awesome. I was wondering earlier this year whether Qualcomm's new mobile chip would be able to surpass Apple's offerings. Whether it did, it would be a huge boost to competition, and even iPhone enthusiasts like me can appreciate that. Exynos 2500 and Dimensity 9400 chips will not be used by Samsung in foreign countries for the Basic and Plus models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.